Hi, it's Jessica. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about how to create multi-packs using different bundling techniques. So I'm going to show you 4 different ways today to do sunscreen. The first one that I want to show you is shrink wrap. So I have a 16-inch impulse sealer and 16-inch shrink wrap. So the first thing that you do is cut it down to the size that you need for one direction. Just pulls off like that. And you're gonna put them into it. Now it's like a bag. It's sealed on 2 sides. Or 3 sides, sorry. And then you're gonna seal this side and we'll rip off the excess also. And then what I like to do is stand the item up in the bag if it can before shrinking it down. I have a heat gun. So you want to go on a lower heat setting and just get the excess to go down. And I can turn it up a little to finish it off. So this is the multi-pack with the shrink wrap. I'm going to set this off to the side for now. The next way is a poly bag that has a self-seal strip on it. And these ones that I have a suffocation warning on them, but you can also buy them without the suffocation warning. And with these, you just fold it down as tight as you want. And I like to do it so that they're not going to be moving around when they're shipping. That's the poly bag with the self-sealing strip. The next one is a poly bag that does not have a sealing strip. So to do this, you're going to have an impulse sealer, or you can use tape if you prefer that method. I'm going to use the sealer. I like to put something underneath it just to get it up a little bit higher and get as close as you want to the item, and then seal it down. And now it's a closed bag right on top of the item, and again this one has a suffocation warning on it. Okay. And then the third way, and this is the way that some people start off with, is to use like a stretch wrap, kind of like saran wrap. It's a Duck brand, so you can get it at Walmart. And it's basically like saran wrap that you have in your house, except it's easier to use. So, stand it up, wrap the item. And it's not really convenient to use, so you just kind of gotta work with it. Once you get the first layer on, you can start making it tighter. And you want to make sure that the full amount of the items are covered. So I go when I'm done around the top and the bottom. stretch it and it will come off. Okay, so now you have a stretch wrap bundle, a poly bag with a self-seal strip, a poly bag that was closed with an impulse sealer, and then shrink wrap as a bundle. And for all of these, they all have to have a suffocation warning. So for the two that don't have one, what I do is buy the stickers on a roll. And if there's any barcodes, you want to cover those up. So that's where I usually put my stickers. On this one, all 3 barcodes are showing, so they'll have to be covered. So now all of them have the suffocation warnings, and then they also have to have this do not separate sticker. We're going to put that here to cover the barcodes. On this one, and this one. So these are the 4 options that I use whenever I'm going to multi-pack something. So I hope that helps to see them actually done and see what they look like from the customer perspective. Thanks!